Okay, newest addition to the inventory is a 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport, 4-door, 4.0 automatic. A lot of miles. Stock number is 8269. Body's in bad shape. Guy junked it because it rotted all through the rockers, and it's a little weary there. But they really got nothing on the front but a pair of headlights and a grill. Hood's no good. You got a pair of hood hinges. Okay, little side marker lights left and right of there. Front and rears is 373s, disc brake, ABS on the front, and you got a drum brake rear in the back. Okay, you do got both right side doors, power window, power locks. You got the right side mirror is a power mirror, black textured with heat. You do got the right side flare. Right rear quarter glass, privacy tint. Is your roof rack, all black with the rails. Right rear taillights in good shape. Okay, you got a rear hatch. I put the hatch in. It's in nice shape. It's got heat, wiper, privacy. Got about an hour shot right there, as you can see it. Okay, you got a left rear taillight. All right, it's in good shape. Here's your left rear quarter glass, privacy tint. Okay, again, left to rear flare. Both left side doors are no good, they're all damaged. Okay, you got outside door handles in black texture. You got inside door handles, okay, also in black. Okay, there's your left rear door glass and the vent glass, both are privacy tint. There's your left front door glass. A few scratches, but it's there. Left side mirror, power with the heat, black textured. Okay, there's your wiper arms. Windshield's no good. Okay, you do got 4 wheels. They're 15-inch, 5-spoke alloys. Set of 4, not bad all the way around. Actually got 5. You got a spare in there, but the spare's a little nonsense there, little garbage. Nicks, scratches, so on and so forth. There's your motor. You got a 4.0 fuel injection. Okay, it's got ABS, as you can see. There's your computer. Got everything underneath the hood is there. Okay, washer bottle, fuse box, radiator bottle over there. ABS, master booster, power steering pump, radiation. Is your computer, and your computer's good. All right, let's go inside. Inside this truck is in bad shape. Really filthy, dirty, no seats. All you got is front seat tracks, manual. Okay, here's your inside door handle. Same as the other one. Same as the rear, but the rear's got a power window switch in it. Here's your power window switches. Okay, we got to shut the radio off, yeah. Okay, power window switches. All right, steering column black, tilt, cruise, delay with the key. Here's your headlight switch. All right, let's get in this hunk of junk. Here's your cluster. Okay, 276, 896. The motor in this vehicle was changed. Don't actually know the mileage of the motor that's in there now. There's your radio. It's a AM, FM, cassette, CD with the EQ. There's your manual heater controls. A couple of miscellaneous switches down there. Fogs, rear wiper, rear heat. Okay, here's your shifter and your 4-wheel drive. Transfer case in this thing is a new Process 242 with the 4.0 automatic. It's select track. Okay, there's your airbag, everything. Okay, it's all in good shape. That's about it for this here Joker. Okay, like I said, this here came in with a lot of damage here and there, and rot. Gotta get rid of it because of the rot. That's it. So again, you got yourself a 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport, 4-door, 4.0 automatic, 4x4 obviously. Stock number is 8269. If you need anything for this, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. You can get us here Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday we're here from 8 to 2. But give us a call on Friday, because some Saturdays we do close up the shop. And they can't get us during business hours. You can get us on the internet. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. Okay, that's it. We got a few more to do. We're going to try to get as many as we can in today. But let's go on to the next one. Ciao.